Nice response time.
That wasn't me.
No, I know it wasn't you. How you doing?
Matt, how we doing today?
I can't complain.
Well, you could.
It never does any good anyway. The only people that listen are my therapist and my bartender.
And both of them are paid to listen to you, right?
That's true. And actually, the bartender listens better.
And which one, the bartender?
Yeah.
You must tip good then.
Oh, yeah. Especially when there's booze involved.
Right?
How are you today?
I'm good.
Good.
It's a Friday. We're out cruising around,
Right?
out pretending to work, you know. That's what I do on Fridays.
Yeah.
Just come out here and pretend to work.
Now, hopefully you get passengers that pretend, or that help you pretend.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been an okay day. It's been okay. I start my day in Auburn, and
Yeah.
I've been up to Seattle. I've been up to, where have I been as far north? Woodinville, back down to Seattle, back up here, you know, back
Oh,
up to
yeah.
Bothell here. So
that's a decent spread.
mm-hmm.
Oh. No, yeah. I can imagine that having the Tesla's nice with the gas prices.
Oh yeah. Oh
You know,
yeah.
Some of those, especially like the black SUVs and everything, have got to be hurting.
Oh, those Escalades?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't imagine what they're paying in fuel costs. They better be pulling in the money to be able to cover that.
Right?
You know, expensive day for me is $15.
Yeah.
You know, that's an expensive day.
That's all right.
You know, like yesterday was a $6 day, so
Yeah. Oh.
didn't hit a charger at all yesterday, so.
Right on.
And no, I started doing this 4 years ago, and I had a Tesla when I started doing this.
That helps. How do you like it?
Fanatical.
Yeah. Nice response time.
That wasn't me.
No, I know it wasn't you. I was giving you kudos for that one.
I gotta mark that. That's gonna be the next YouTube video.
Right?
Timestamp 439, 440. Wow.
Well, at least keeps you awake, I suppose.
I'm awake now. I was asleep when that happened. I'm awake now.
Oh man.
I didn't even see him coming.
No, it looked like the car right in front of him came to a sudden decision to make a right turn.
That goes to show you, human beings are terrible drivers.
Yeah.
It's gonna be nice when we're all replaced.
Right? That is definitely one area I'm okay with.
Yeah, like it's crazy how good of drivers we think we are, and we're just absolutely dreadful.
Oh yeah. and even as bad as we are, we peak early.
Mm-hmm.
And then we get worse.
Yep.
Oh,
That.
hold on one second, my wife's calling.
Oh no, it's just my buddy.
I did, but he was kind of coming up on the mailboxes, so he should be home by now, or at least any moment now. I wasn't sure if you got my text message. Yep. Okay, cool. No, I gotcha. I'm glad you're able to get a little bit of rest. But no, he looked a little frustrated, like he was kind of looking around. My guess is he was waiting for Zorian. But oh. Go. All right, I will see you guys here in a few. Love you. If you want to, if you want, the three of you could start driving toward Enterprise, and I can meet you there. Yeah. No, you're good, and I know you can map it. But worst case, if you basically head to Dr. Kelly's office, but instead of turning in, just keep going straight. You'll pass it in or you'll get to it in I think it's 3 lights. I love you. I'll see you there shortly. Bye. All right. We gotta pick up our car and take back a rental.
Oh, gotcha.
Speaking of those bad drivers.
Right.
Yeah.
I assumed I was taking you to collision center. Somebody was a bad driver.
Yes, somebody was a bad driver. We had a little incident with a. Thankfully, it wasn't anything significant, but hit our back passenger door.
May not be significant, but man, it's annoying to deal with everything you have to deal with.
Oh yeah.
And especially when it's not even your fault.
Yeah.
And everything you have to go through, and it's terrible.
Yeah, well, and anymore with all the safety features and everything, a little dent in the door is no longer about popping it out.
Yeah, exactly. There's sensors and things and whatever, and
had to replace the whole door.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It was cheaper to replace the door than to fix it, huh?
Yeah, more with like you said, exactly with the sensors and the airbags and everything else. It was just okay, well.
That's crazy to think that.
Yeah, I mean, thankfully insurance will cover it all.
Mm-hmm.
And all that. And we got a daughter who's gonna have a learner's permit within the next year. So already starting to lose sleep over that.
Right. I'm lucky. My son never wanted to drive.
Yeah.
To this day, he still doesn't drive and never wanted to. And he goes, I'll just wait till the cars drive me around.
How old is he now?
28.
Yeah. I'll tell you, there are definitely places. I mean, I moved here 15 years ago from Chicago. And I mean, I'm getting my head wrapped around, because we use, especially now with the new line over the river, or over the lake, we'll take the train if we go into Seattle.
Oh, right.
But man, living in Chicago, the public transit was bar none.
Right. No, it's really good back on the east. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I've heard that definitely on the east side, it's definitely far superior.
I don't mind the train at all, but for some reason I can't wrap my head around the buses.
Right. Dog did show up on the screen. Okay. You can fit. Do it. You can fit. Do it. Do it. You can fit. Come on, you're this far. You can do it. Here, I'll give you a little help. There you go. It was there. And then it's like, nah, I can't make it.
I don't
want to do it.
I guess I would rather it err on the side of caution than not.
That's true, right?
Yeah.
It's never in a hurry, that's for sure.
No.
That GMC that just went by, that's an Uber too.
Is it?
Yep, I can't imagine. That's what we're talking about. I can't imagine paying for gas for that thing.
Man, those things suck it down.
All right, we made it for you.
Absolutely. Thank you
All
very
right,
much.
my man. Enjoy the day, huh?
You too. Have a safe rest of your day.
Oh, I hope so too.
I think
No, you do. It'll roll back up.
Okay, cool. All right. Have a good one. Thank you.
Take care.